Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process on how to cash on delivery on TikTok. The TikTok Shop cash on delivery policy applies to sellers and customers on the TikTok Shop marketplace. TikTok Shop offers cash on delivery or COD as one of the available payment methods for purchased products on our platform only in select markets. The COD payment method has been established to help sellers reach more customers who may not have access to or are uncomfortable with using online payment services. Their TikTok Shop policies are uploaded periodically. Sellers are responsible for checking these pages regularly to ensure that they comply with our current guidelines. The COD payment option is only available for ship by TikTok items. Cash on delivery is not available to self-ship sellers. All sellers who engage in local-to-local transactions are eligible for the COD payment option. However, we may review a seller's performance and withdraw the COD option from their account at our discretion. When choosing the COD payment method, customer must verify their phone number on TikTok Shop. Only one phone number is allowed to be verified for one account. There is a maximum acceptable order value for COD payments. This amount varies from country to country. Once the COD payment option is turned off, that product can only be paid through existing online platform payment methods. When customers choose the COD payment option, TikTok Shop will prompt them to enter a one-time password that will be sent to the mobile number registered on the customer's account. If customers wish to change the mobile number linked to their account, they can do so on their account settings page. If a customer authorizes another individual to receive their parcel, they must provide proof of authorization to that individual. The courier will call the customers and confirm the receiver's authorization before handing over the package and collecting payment. Customer must be reachable by phone when the delivery is made. Customer must prepare the exact amount to facilitate a smooth payment if they choose to pay with cash. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.